Today I installed the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. As you can see, the language is not in English, it's in Thai language. To change it, press the escape key and select the last option. And once the game closed, right click on the game and select open file location. In search, type config, right click on the config.user and select edit in notepad. Copy this English in default and paste it in language. Once done, select file and select save option. Close that off here and right click on the configs.user, the same file, and select edit in notepad. Do the same thing, paste the English in Thai. Once done, select file and select save option. We have successfully changed the language. I show you guys the language has changed in game. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the language to English. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.